Well, so in today's class, let us study something about comparison of numbers. What is this comparison of numbers? Comparison of numbers is nothing but verifying two numbers. Okay, there will be given two numbers. We have to just verify between them and finding the difference. If we find the difference, we will come to know whether the given number is greater than or smaller than or even equal to. Okay, comparison of numbers is nothing but verifying the two numbers to find the difference between them. On finding the difference, we can easily find out whether the given number is greater than or smaller than or even equal to. Done? Did you get the definition of comparison of numbers? What is this actually? Comparison of numbers. Yes? In comparison of numbers, we use three symbols, okay, or three signs. Done? One is greater than, and the other one is less than, and the last one is equal to. Greater than, less than, and equal to. Okay? Remember this? Greater than, less than, and equal to. Yes? Now, I know you all have a confusion between greater than and smaller than. Yes? Greater than and smaller than. You all have a confusion. Okay, which side arrow I have to write for greater than? To remember that easily, I have a tip. Okay? I want all of you to hold your right hand like this. Hold your right hand. Hold your right hand. Now tell me, is it your right hand more stronger or your left hand? Which is more stronger? Right hand, isn't it? We can lift more weights in this right hand itself. Now, when we hold the right hand like this, which side this arrow will be pointing? Which side? Right side, isn't it? So, the arrow pointing towards the right side, that is the greatest symbol. Done? The arrow pointing towards the right side. So, if we write the arrow pointing towards the right side, then that sign is greatest sign. Okay? Now, the left hand, if we hold the left hand, the arrow pointing towards the left side. Okay, the arrow pointing towards the left side will be the lesser symbol. Now onwards, no confusion in greater than and lesser than symbols. Okay, right hand. Remember the right hand, put an arrow towards the right. Remember the left hand and put an arrow towards the left for the smallest or the least number. Okay. Now moving on to equal to. So how you are going to write equal to? Just a parallel two lines. Okay. A parallel lines is equal to. Done. So now greatest, smallest and equal to. So these three are the symbols of comparison of numbers. Understood this much? I want a thumbs up if you have got this much. That's so nice. Very good. So now let us move on to the actual part of the lesson. That is, in comparison of numbers, there are two cases. Okay, there are two cases that we can also call it as two possibilities. And what are those two cases? The first case is when we have different number of digits. So example, now I'm going to give you two numbers. Okay. In that, the first number has only 4 digits in it and the next number has 3 digits. Now looking at the numbers, can you find out which is the greatest and which is the smallest? Yes. Which will be the greatest number? A 3-digit number or a 4-digit number? 4-digit number, isn't it? Because it has more number of digits in it. So the number which has more number of digits in it, it is the greatest number. So if we have different number of digits in the two examples, then we can easily find out which is the greatest and which is the smallest number. Okay. And the second case is if the number has same number of digits. Here also 4 digit, and in the another example also 4 digit, or here also 3 digit, in the next number also it is 3 digit. If it is same number of digits, how to find out which is greater or smaller? Do anyone know how to find out which is greater or smaller? So first we have to check with the places. Okay, that is start from the left side. On the board, all of you can see I have taken two examples. That is 3,469 and 4,890. Isn't it? Now start checking with the left side. That is the thousands place. So in one number, that is 3 is there in thousands place, whereas in the another number 4 is there in thousands place. Isn't it? Now tell me whether 3 is greater or 4 is greater. 4 is greater, isn't it? That means 3 is less than 4. So I have put a left side arrow. Okay, lesser than. That is 3,469 is less than 4,890. Did you understand these two cases? Yes. What if the thousands place number is same? Oh, here also 3, there also 3, or the same number in thousands place. At that time, what you have to do? You have to check for the hundreds place number. Okay. If the hundreds place number is also same, then check for the tens place number. Done? Like this, you're going to check for each places. If the tens place number is also same, then check for the ones place. If ones place number is also same, then those two numbers are equal. Okay, two parallel lines equal. Done? Yes. So in today's class we have studied comparison of numbers, the symbols of comparison of numbers, and there are two cases in comparison of numbers. That is, the first case is if we have different number of digits, and the second case is if we have same number of digits. Did you understand this much? Yes? Well, so now